Welcome back, everyone. If you're new here, FaceFusion is a powerful open-source AI tool that lets you swap faces in photos and videos, enhance faces, restore old footage, and use many other AI-powered face processing features, all from your own computer. It's fast, easy to use, and supports both CPU and GPU acceleration for much better performance. In one of my previous videos, I showed you how to install FaceFusion on NVIDIA graphics cards. Since then, many of you have been asking for an AMD version. So in this video, I'll walk you through the complete installation process for AMD GPUs, covering everything from the required software and dependencies to common fixes, so you can get FaceFusion running smoothly on your system. Whether you're using FaceFusion for content creation, video editing, or AI experiments, this guide will help you get everything set up correctly. Now, let's jump into the installation for FaceFusion with AMD graphic card. Click on the GitHub link in my description to visit main page of FaceFusion. You can read its documentation and other details from here. To install locally, you need Python 3.11.0, FFmpeg, Visual Studio, and Git for Windows. No CUDA toolkit needed for AMD graphic card installation. I have made a playlist you can watch videos on installing these dependencies. Once ready, on main page, click on Code option and copy Git code. Now go to folder or drive you want to install this in and type cmd in folder path. A new command prompt window will open. Type git clone and paste code you copied to clone FaceFusion. After clone, type cd space and go to clone folder, copy its path. Paste it in command window and hit enter. Now create venv using Python 3.11. Activate venv with activation code. Now install Torch Audio and Torch Vision with pip. Once Torch installed, go inside main FaceFusion folder and open requirements file. Change ONNX Runtime to onnxruntime-directml and change CPI version, then save requirements file. Now in command window, run requirements code to install requirements. After requirements installed, run main code. Running main code first time will download models. When you see a local URL, copy and paste this URL in any browser to launch FaceFusion. To avoid running codes again in main folder, create new text file. Open this text file and type this code as you see and save as run.bat. Just double-click this run file and use FaceFusion anytime. Using this is very easy. Upload face picture and target picture or video. Wait till you see preview. Choose enhancer if you want. Every time you choose new option, this will download them models. Click start. This will take few seconds to give you result. And that's it. FaceFusion should now be installed and running on your AMD graphics card. If you ran into any issues during the installation, let me know in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out. If this tutorial saved you time or helped you get FaceFusion working, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I regularly upload tutorials on AI tools, local installations, open source projects, and the latest AI updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day and happy creating.